Okay, here I will teach or show with Milo here. Then when you have a beautiful model like this in a lovely day in your balcony, yeah, hopefully beautiful balcony, beautiful girl and another beautiful girl eating something.
She is.
So there's two way of shooting this. You see, sunlight hits her beautifully, but her face is dark. Which you can just do that. You can make the face dark and get advantage of her beautiful silhouette. So let's do the silhouette shot first. Just gonna lay back like that. Took the photo. I'll show you all the details and how I shot. How are my settings? And second thing you can do is, oh my god, I'm burning up already. Reflector, simple reflector. I'm gonna make her blind right now, probably. I hope I'm not blocking. So somewhere here, ooh, oh my god. Okay, this thing normally hurts model's eyes. So what you want to do is actually, you want to count to 3, so she'll be ready. And you're gonna know your sweet spot right there. You're not gonna hold it to her face until you shoot. So, kind of counting, keep it there. And when I say 3, open your eyes, okay? And look straight to the camera, not to the reflections. Okay, here we go. Open, beautiful. Okay. Done. 1 second, she's less blind than she could be. And that's a perfect. And let me show you without how it would look. Here we go. Beautiful. Yeah. Big difference. What they tell you to do is use your field flash on your camera, on your DSLR, right there. I'm gonna try to use a field flash. Let's see how powerful this flash is. Here we go. Little field flash. It is too white for my taste because it makes her skin shine. It's always better to use reflector without the flash. So I'm closing my flash, back to my settings right there. It's totally dark. Now I'm gonna count to 3. She's gonna close her eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna find my sweet spot here. Perfect. Now I'm not holding the reflector. Now I'm counting. Close your eyes on the count of 3. You open it. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Done. Oh my god, it's too much. Yeah. Okay, now without leaning too much back, just lean back more, but don't put your weight on the glass. Okay? Just like that. I'm gonna get a good line of your legs right there. Beautiful. You don't need to look. Let me count this. Gorgeous. You see how much light she has now? This should go to Sky Park's website. So, are you okay? Yeah. I want to show your tattoos. Get a close up of your tattoos with the light. There you go. Beautiful. Now stretch your leg for me. Show me the other one. The other one, stretch it. Perfect. That's a good pose. Dominant. Now I will use this as a shield for myself. Don't move. I will try to. Wait a second. I'll try to shoot you like this. Can we do one naked, one topless, and one naked quickly, then go in?
Sure.
Yeah, the same poses like this.